I'm just so sick and so tired of Nigel News. What should I do about it? Aha! I know. I'm gonna go kidnap. Me and Rex are gonna go kidnap Billy Oil Changer because he's Nigel News, one of his favorite Piston Cup racers.
Is telling me that.
Hi, Ralph. Oh, hey Todd. What are you doing? Do you know Billy Oil Changer's address? Sure. Let me write that down.
But what's happening today today's
when he finished doing that,
happening in the 3-county area.
Right.
Alright, Todd, so what are you going to tell me? Well, Billy Oil Changer wanted me to come over to his house. Oh, really? Awesome. So, he wanted me to come to his address. So, Billy's address is,
the 3 counties of Oakland County, Macomb, and Wayne.
995 Capitol Avenue. Alright, thank you, Ralph. Alright, you're welcome. At Billy's Oil Changer's house. Alright, so I'm gonna call up David to see if he wants to watch Netflix with me. Ding dong! Oh, Sylvie just rang my doorbell. I'm gonna go see who it is. Hi Todd. How can I help you? Oh, hey Billy. How are you? I'm doing good. How are you? That sounds good. So, do you know where your living room is? Why? Oh, I was just curious. Alright then, follow me.
They're still flying. They're getting into these groups.
When Todd Marcus got to Reveler's house.
Those are the 3 countries overseas.
Alright, here we are.
The one that I can see from my desk
knock, knock.
Day, not quite overseas, but over the river.
Oh, hey Todd. How are you? Oh, I'm doing good. How are you? Well, same here. Alright, so, do you have anything we can kidnap Billy? Oh, sure. We can use the Scotch tape over there. Alright, that's cool.
If you look at it, very strange to think about. And of course, so it's an interesting thing.
Oh my gosh.
So we're talking about today on today's program. So if you were
Alright, we got the tape. Now let's go kidnap him. Alright.
45 seconds as a place to
things are family
Billy,
friendly, lots of parks,
we're gonna me and Rex are gonna kidnap you, right? No, I don't want to be kidnapped. No, too bad. So sad. No.
It's a really great time for the whole weekend.
Shut up. Now go there and stay there. Now go there and stay there. Come on, Rex.
It's going to be
Alright, Claude, so what do you want to do right now? I don't know. Maybe we can call Billy to see if he wants to come over. Someone just texted me. Oh, it's from Billy. Looks like he's kidnapped. Oh no.
Restaurants and breweries to please your palate. Experience art.
Alexa, turn off. Alright, so what's up with Billy? Well, Misty, I think Billy's kidnapped. What? Oh no. Don't worry, Misty. I'm gonna call 911. Beep, beep, beep. Come on, pick up. Oh, someone's calling. 911, what's your emergency? Help! Our friend Billy Oil Changer is kidnapped. Alright, so what does the kidnapper look like? He had a kidnapper with a red mustache and has the number 123. No style. What name is Todd Marcus? You know what you're thinking? I do actually know. That must be Todd Marcus or Reveler. Don't worry, we'll get help. Thank you. Bye-bye. Meanwhile, come on, Cricket 90. No, I'm trying to play Fortnite right now. This is the police. Open the door right now. I'm busy playing video game. Alright, I'll be right back, Rex. Alright. Hello, name. How are you? I'm doing good. So, I just got a 911 call telling me that you and Rex Reveler kidnapped Billy Oil Changer. Is this true? Okay, yes, it is. Alright, so, where's Rex? This is my house. This is my friend's house. Okay. Oh, I can't fit through this hallway. It's to you. Shut up! I can get in there. Hey, where are you going? Alright, so, is this your house? This is not my house, officer. This is my friend's house. In the loyal office corner, please come here. Hello. So, I got a 911 call from Tom Marcus saying that you will kidnap Billy Oil Changer. That's what it is to me. So, where's your basement? I'm not telling you where it is. You better tell me or I'm arrested. Okay, it's in the hallway and down to the right. Alright. Oh no, we're gonna be in so much trouble, Rex. We shouldn't have done this. Yeah, I know. Oh my gosh, Billy, you look kidnapped. Here, let me get this tape on you. Thank you, officer. You have no right in for relation to kidnap them. In the meantime, Billy, you're on it. So, Rex Reveler and Todd Marcus, get your goddamn butt over here right freaking now. Yes, officer? You two are under arrest for kidnapping Billy Oil Changer. Come with me right now. No, I'm sorry what we did. Please, don't take us to jail. Yeah, it won't happen again. Well, too bad, so sad. You're going to jail whether you like it or not. And besides, our thing's law. Now come with me right now. No. When they got to jail... Alright, you two. This is your jail cell. You will stay here until Nigel News gets to 15,000 subscribers. Also, you have a visitor who likes to see you. In the meantime, enjoy your time here. Rex, Reveler, and Todd, Cramulus Marcus. How dare you both kidnap Billy? Why on earth would you do that? Because we ate Billy. Let me tell you guys something. Billy Oil Changer is Nigel News one of his favorite pissy characters, and it does not mean you have the right to kidnap him. That's it. You are grounded until you get out of jail, and during that time, you will not play any video games. Wait, Ralph, you're not a legal guardian. Shut up, Rex. I can do whatever I want. In the meantime, I'm leaving now. Bye. Aw, great. Here we go again.